Oh, hi there. You're here. That's cool. Oh, now I have to think of an inspirational word. You know what? Instead of using multiple words, I'm just going to use a single word. You ready to hear it? Inspiration. There, you're inspired. Woohoo! I'm going to go back to sleeping in my little bowl. You know, I wonder why I do things like this. Why am I in a bowl? I don't even remember waking up. I don't even remember falling asleep here. I just woke up in a bowl. It's kind of comfy though. Yeah. So be inspired. Take the world. Don't take the world. I kind of like to be here without being, taken. But seize the day. But don't take my day away from me, please. I still like my day. Just go do something that's wild, but not too wild, because you could get arrested and that'd be bad. So yeah. Whew.